How about this, Will? A pair of unworn 1985 Michael Jordan autographed Air Jordan 1s on eBay, $1 million USD.
Huh.
You know the memorabilia, the collecting, it's out of control.
Is this the ultimate? Like in terms of shoes?
1985 Michael Jordan Air Jordan 1 with a signature from the time. Reportedly one of 2 verified pairs with MJ's rookie signature. What is it when it comes to collecting, Will? It's all about how rare is the thing, how many of these exist. Mm-hmm. I actually think for $1 million, it's a good investment. If it can be verified, I'll give you $2 million.
Really?
No, I don't know. They say it's one of 2 in existence. When it comes to collecting, that's where the value lives.
Uh-huh.
You're talking about the enthusiasm of the entire sneaker culture, the enthusiasm of the entire basketball culture, the entire enthusiasm of the sports world culture, the collector culture. There's a lot of people that could translate that enthusiasm into the ownership of a collector's item like this.
Right.
Now, I don't know if it actually sold for $1 million or if the listing actually, maybe it will go higher. I don't know. The shoe is in its original make and colorway. It has become scarce in the sneaker world. They believe there's 15 to 20 dead stock pairs of these Air Jordan 1s in this particular SKU that were ever made in the first place. Not around right now, that were ever made in the first place. They think that this pristine condition pair of sneakers may have been one of the early player samples. It has PS in the product name on the label. It could have been one of the early player samples provided to Jordan to say, hey, what you think about these sneakers? You want to make a deal? What do you want to do? Mm-hmm. You want to make some changes, whatever. That early. The most iconic sneaker. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. The shoes come mismatched. One is size 13, the other is 13.5.
Oh.
Interesting. This would obviously set a new record, but it's all about collections right now, Will. So we saw the highest priced hockey card recently. We've seen the highest priced Pokemon. It's out of control. Whether you're into coins or stocks or memorabilia.
It's all about collecting, investing.
Everything is rocket ships right now because everyone's at home and they can't entertain themselves. And so it's rocket ships for all. Collecting and investing. Now, do me a favor and just click on the eBay link real quick. I just feel like we might as well get an update. The eBay link doesn't take you to the post. Come on, you're not even going to link the post, hype beast? Come on. You got to link the post, don't you? These are all internal links to promote the site. We can't get the actual
I'm sure if you search
eBay
for
post. Willie Doo's going to try to track it down real quick because I just want to see if they actually sold or if they're still listed. Oh, here we go. Willie Doo, track it down.
Oh, yeah.
$1 million still in stock. So is it a buy it now type? It is a buy it now. $1 million, buy it now. Imagine, what am I doing? PayPal you $1 million? Oh, that's crazy. Those are in good shape. Those are pristine. Yeah. Player sample. 13 and a half.
Just get it.
Did he wear 2 different size shoes? Very interesting.
Yeah, they didn't really say.
$1 million sneakers. Will, I think you should put it on your watch list.
Okay.
Yeah, put it on your watch list.
No, I'll buy it now.
Add to your cart.